Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to uninstall Onlyfans TV on your mobile device. Now let's begin. Right here, this is my Android phone and I have installed Onlyfans TV on my mobile device. What I want to do to uninstall this OFTV is simply go to settings. Now let's scroll down. I'm gonna find something like apps. I'm gonna click right here. Again, let's scroll down until we find OFTV. Right here is the OFTV. Simply click on it. Now there are options available. You can simply force stop it, or if you're actually fed up with OFTV, simply click on this install button right here. Then give confirmation whether you want to actually delete it or not. If you don't want to delete it, hit on cancel right now. But I want to uninstall OFTV, so I'm going to click on OK. And there you have it. And that's how you uninstall Onlyfans TV from your mobile device. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.